I was born in Washington, D.C. at the Bureau of Engraving and Printing. I had 31 brothers and sisters as I was spit out of the mother printing press. I was separated from half of my siblings and put back into the mother to receive a treasury seal and serial number, my birthmark. I was told by many people and machines that I was perfect. I was cut apart, stacked into bricks, and waiting for my journey to begin.
Justin took me from the ATM and carried me to the top of Lookout Mountain. What happened next had me scared for my life. We was enjoying the view when all of a sudden we was dropped from the sky. Justin told me later we was hang gliding. He was so excited about his adventure. When he landed, he went inside the gift shop to buy a t-shirt. There's where my next journey started, to the Blue Ridge region.
Janiyah Hackenclose came into the gift shop in need of a drink. The cashier gave me to her as change from her $5 bill. Janiyah put me in her backpack and we headed on our way up the trail. My ears were popping because she said was climbing so high. When she was done, she brought an Energizer snack. There's when my next journey started to the Valiant Ridge region. Alicia came in looking for a new paddle. I was headed to her by the castle when she made her purchase. We jumped in the car and headed towards the Chattahoochee National Forest. After a long drive, Alicia unloaded everything. We dove into the crisp waters. She used me to buy a towel at the local gas station after canoeing for what seemed like forever. There is where my next journey started to the Piedmont region.
Maya, who thought to buy a camera at the gas station where I was sleeping, took me to the big city of Atlanta, Georgia, where we went to see the state capitol building. After touring the entire building, he bought a beautiful postcard. I changed hands again when Michaela received me after buying a snow globe. Michaela was obsessed with seashell. This is where my journey to the coastal region began. Michaela told me while we were heading to the beach, she was searching for more seashells for her collection. I was having the time of my life lounging on the beach at Tybee Island until the tide came in and I nearly drowned. I tossed and turned in the waves for 5 minutes until she rescued me. Even though I was waterlogged, I still had fun. The next day, Michaela dropped me off at the bank. The bank teller took one look at me and said, "You've had it, buddy.
I'm putting you in this box and marking you to be shredded." This is where my adventure ended, and I was placed on a truck to make my last and final journey to the National Federal Reserve Bank. Sad to say, but this is where my story ends.